there's a lot of politics going on. There's always going to be politics, and the politics of opening up our society, which I think is necessary, but should not be haphazard, versus staying closed, which I think should happen, but should not be haphazard, right? I mean, it's a hard needle to thread, as I already alluded to. There's a lot of difficulty trying to make these decisions. There's numbers of millions and thousands, and that just kind of gets lost. What's important, and I think one of the things that we could do as leaders is provide information. Why are we wanting to have people wear a simple mask? And the simple mask is because it helps. It's been shown to slow the spread of this virus. This virus is out there. It's in the community. It's at Target. It's at Lomas Bonitas. It's everywhere. And so you just never know who it is that's going to just cough on your face or sneeze in your face or sneeze right before you didn't realize. And so it's going to happen in the community spread we're seeing. And so I implore really everybody to continue to do really smart quarantining. I think it's okay to sit outside at the park and maintaining distance. Get outside. It's healthy. But if you need to go to Target, if you need to go somewhere else, wear a mask. And I just want to kind of show you just a simple example. These masks were not meant to be worn like this. They're not meant to be worn like this. I mean, it's not a fashion statement, right? Although it can be. These masks are meant to be worn like this, and your hands are never to touch your face. Especially if you're outside. I mean, I think that we can take this to the next level and, put gloves on. I'm not a big believer in the gloves. I'm a big believer, put your mask on and just wash your hands when you leave, wash your hands when you come back. Carry a simple disinfectant bottle in your car. And wear it. And if somebody tells you you may be sick, stay away from the rest of humankind until you're better. There's plenty of places to get tested right now. So if you feel like you're sick, get tested. So we know who's got it and we know who doesn't have it. If you want to make a fashion statement, have your best friend make a mask con la bandera chilena or la bandera mexicana or whatever flag or statement you want to make. But wear a mask. For now, it's the only thing we have. We don't have a vaccine. We don't have antibody test or antibody therapy. Chloroquine doesn't work. Injected disinfectant doesn't work. This is the only thing right now that is staying between us and the virus. And it's not foolproof. I don't want to give people the false hope that it's going to completely prevent you from having it. But it's a way to, if you're sick, to give it to others. And if others are sick, first of all, they should be staying home. But second of all, that they are, in fact, trying to keep it at bay. So that's what I ask everybody for now, is to do what you need to do, work if you have to, stay at home if you can, and make sure that you're doing the right thing.